Hey everyone, welcome back to Code Crushers. In today's video, I'll show you how to install WordPress on Windows 10. This is a great way to set up a local development environment to test and develop your WordPress sites before going live. So let's get started. First, we need to download and install XAMPP. XAMPP is a free and open source cross-platform web server solution stack package developed by Apache France, consisting mainly of the Apache HTTP server, and it uses PHP and Perl programming languages. So first you need to open your browser and go to apachefrance.org. Click on the first search result, or you can find the link of this website in the video description. And you need to click on download and select the Windows version, and our download will start shortly. Wait for the file to download. Once the download is complete, run the installer and follow the installation prompts. Click on the file, click on run, click on OK, click on next, click on next again, and we need to select a folder. This is going to be the default folder for XAMPP. Click on next. So because I had this installed, I need to create a new folder so it can be empty, and I need to select it. But for you it will be okay if you just click on next. So select the language English, click on next, and click on next again, and it will be ready to install on your computer. Wait for it to finish. Make sure to check Apache and MySQL during the installation process, as these are essential for running WordPress. Once XAMPP is installed, open the XAMPP control panel and start Apache and MySQL. So as you can see, this is going to be the control panel for XAMPP, and you're going to click on start on Apache and MySQL. Click on allow access and click on start on MySQL. Allow access again. If everything is working correctly, you should see green highlights next to Apache and MySQL. So for me, everything is working alright, but if you have any problem, make sure to leave a comment in the comment section and I will check it out so I can help. So next we need to download WordPress, and we are going to go to our web and we are going to search for WordPress download. Click on enter, and you are going to click on the first search result, or you are going to find the website link in the video description, and you're going to click on download WordPress 6.6.1, which is the latest version of WordPress. Click on download, and the download should start, and it's going to be on a zip file, which we are going to unzip after the download is completed. So after the download is completed, you are going to select the WordPress folder. You are going to click on extract to, and you're going to select desktop and click on OK, and the file will be extracted on our desktop. So after the file is extracted, we are going to move it to our XAMPP folder, and click on XAMPP folder, and you're going to open the htdocs folder. You're going to open the htdocs folder, and you're going to move the WordPress folder inside of this htdocs folder. So we have WordPress here. So the other step is going to be to create a database for WordPress. So to create a database for WordPress site, we need to open our web browser, and we need to go to localhost phpMyAdmin. This will open only if you have started Apache and MySQL server, and we need to click on new. We need to click on new database, and the database name is going to be WordPress, and we are going to click on create. So the other step is going to be to configure WordPress. here on our web browser, we need to go to localhost/WordPress. And after going to localhost WordPress, we need to set up the WordPress. And you're going to select your preferred language and you're going to click on continue. Click on let's go. The database name is going to be WordPress. Username is going to be root. And the password is going to be generated by WordPress and it's going to be saved. So the database host is going to be localhost and table prefix, and we're going to click on submit. And the password field, here is the problem because we need to leave it blank. And try submit again. So okay, so now it's working and we need to run the installation. Click on this button. So the site title is going to be WordPress website. The username, we are going to choose root as it's one of the default usernames that we use. And our email, I'm going to enter my email and I'm going to install WordPress. I'm going to copy my password and I'm going to log in. Enter your password and click on login. So here we are on WordPress, and after the installation you can log in into your WordPress dashboard with the credentials you just created, and that's it. You now have WordPress installed on your Windows 10 machine. You can start creating and test your WordPress site locally. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Code Crushers for more tech tutorials. Leave a comment if you have any questions or if there is a specific tutorial that you would like to see next. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video. Peace out.